Now reel the world and tell the girl. Show me so wheel the world and tell all my girl. That when me tune into Caribbean TV world. Whether me have on me diamond or even for the pearl. Of all the girl them with a Elaine or the one named Merle. Sometimes I find the other one them call her Cheryl. Me no in and nothing with the one of them call name Earl. You understand? But give me all of the lovely ladies. Mac Daddy fat up them belly and give them plenty babies. Ooh yeah, no feel no way. Mikey Jarrett say.
Okay, Sister Carlene. Here she comes.
How are you? Oh, she wants some.
So you know what? You know what she just told me? I'm not leaving him. I don't know if she meant she's not leaving him on stage or she's not leaving him generally, but she just said that. So Tommy come forward, she said she's not leaving him.
Your tummy talk, Stephen. I like about tummy talk. Yes, indeed.
Okay, Sister Carlene, I'm sure you want to say something to the microphone.
Well, God bless you. Good evening, everyone. It's a joy to be here tonight, and it's a lifetime achievement award. So you know what that means? We have to give God thanks for life. We have to give God thanks. And I just want to thank Linkage Production and the entire team for honoring, for thinking of us, because it's been a journey, and I couldn't have done it without my husband, who has stood with me through thick and thin, sickness and health, because he was there when the doctor said I had cancer. He's the one who ran and stood with me and did all the work to make sure that I could be here tonight. Come on, give it up for the husbands in the house who understand what it is to have a helpmate. Amen? And so, Tommy, you want to say something? Thank you for the work, for the songs that you've written, songs like Winnie Mandela, Welcome Home, Mr. Mandela, Santa Claus, You Will Come to the Ghetto. This man can't write to say, you got chest.
Oh, bless the Lord. Somebody ought to give God the glory tonight. Amen. Amen. And I think she's probably going to do a